How to create automated to-do lists in Monday.com. So the first is you should open your web browser such as Chrome and go to Monday.com. Once you have done that, you should um, create a board first by clicking on this button. Click on New Board, and you may type in also automated task if you want to, or anything or any name that you want. Click on Create Board and wait for it to load. And then once it is done loading, what I would suggest is to clear all of these first. So you may delete it, also delete this one, and then um, if it doesn't allow you to delete it, then you may delete these first. Delete, delete. And also, what I would suggest is to have three groups. So the first one is priority. The second one is to do, and then the last one is finished. So right here, once you have done that, you may click on automate right here and create a custom automation. So you should click on this one and click on item created. And then when an item is created, what you will do is to assign a person. So for example, I will assign my self first and then as person. Click on plus and search for date. So you need to first set the date. Click on date to today and then click on plus once again. Type in date and click on push date. So click on due date, click date, and you may type in the days that you want. And then click on set and click on create automation. You should wait for it to load. Hit the X mark if you are done with this one. So for example, now I will type in create a PubMat. So once you hit enter, you should wait for it as it will assign automatically the person and it will also type in the date automatically. So that's it. That's how you can create an automated task or to-do list on Monday.com.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.